Histology of spinal cord. So this is the slide of spinal cord. If you look here closely, you can clearly appreciate a spinal cord. Let's look at the basic structure of spinal cord. Outermost there is dura mater, then arachnoid matter, then pia mater covering the spinal cord. Here is the grey matter and this is the white matter. In the center you can appreciate the central canal. This is the anterior grey matter, this is the lateral grey matter, and this is the posterior grey matter. Whereas this is the anterior white column, lateral white column, and the posterior white column. You can also appreciate spinal artery, vertebral artery, and spinal nerve here. In 10x, this is the posterior median fissure. You can appreciate central canal in this portion. Here you can appreciate the grey matter, which is divided into anterior, lateral and posterior grey matter. This is lateral white column, anterior white column and the posterior white column. Identification points. The spinal cord has a characteristic oval shape. It is made up of white matter containing mainly myelinated fibers, grey matter which containing neurons and unmyelinated fibers. So this is the grey matter mostly containing the unmyelinated fibers, and white matter contains the myelinated fibers. The grey matter lies towards the center and is surrounded all around by white matter. The grey matter consists of a centrally placed mass and horns that pass forward and backward. So these are the horns: anterior horn, lateral horn and posterior horn. The grey matter of the right and left halves of the spinal cord is connected across the midline by the grey commissure that is transversed by the central canal. This is the grey commissure through which the grey matter of right and left side communicate. This grey matter is transversed by the central canal. The central canal of the spinal cord contains cerebrospinal fluid. The canal is lined by ependyma. So through this central canal, the cerebrospinal fluid is supplied to the spinal cord. So this was all about spinal cord. Thank you for watching.